Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. I clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for September 13th to 27th. For 13th to 17th, we have a ridge here near the Aleutians. And we have a trough near the west coast. And another ridge is forecast across the west central states and an upper low across the Great Lakes. You can see right here. Okay, low pressure moving through the Great Lakes to push a cold front eastward. Take a look at that at the surface. You can see here's the front, here's our upper low, and it'll push this front eastward. And this will bring some rain and thunderstorms to the eastern states. And then we're going to look at what was Tropical Storm Kate. Here's the visible satellite imagery. Okay. And here is the infrared, and it's still bringing some deep moisture into Southern California. You can see it right here. So this will be where the heaviest rainfall is occurring and will be occurring. And some of this moisture will move into the Intermountain West with locally enhanced rainfall amounts. Models aren't picking it up very well, but moisture will be going into the Intermountain West. A trough along the west coast will have several pieces of energy with it, and will bring unsettled conditions with cooler temperatures to the region. Okay, looking for the period September 18th to 22nd. Pattern hasn't changed since yesterday. I have a trough here in the west. Zonal flow at above normal heights here across eastern Canada, Greenland, and eastern states. We also have a ridge here near the Aleutians. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures here, and anomalies are forecast to be near 8 degrees above normal, mainly across this area here. I noticed a mistake in the forecast. Okay, and for precipitation, calling for this, so it might be above normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence 35 to 40%. Below normal precipitation for this region, probability of occurrence 35 to 40%. Okay, looking at the period now for September 23rd to 27th. Again, it hasn't changed much since last period. We had a little overall change in the pattern. Still have a little bit of troughing here in the west. Zone of flow above normal heights still in the same area. So for this period, I'm calling for a little change in temperature anomalies. And for precipitation, I'm calling for, I probably didn't have it up. Calling for above normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Not so sure here, because I have a lower probability. And below normal precipitation forecast for this region, probability of occurrence is near 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for September 13th to the 27th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.